And the craziest one was we went to Utah, and I flew on my first fucking private jet with Wiz Khalifa. That was the first time I met him, actually.
On the PJ?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
And it was just me, him, and his bodyguard. It was bizarre, bro. I show up, we fly on the PJ, and he has his shades on the whole time. And I was told by his creative director, whatever you do, bro, just don't stop shooting. Just shoot everything, because you never know when he's going to give you something.
Right.
So I was just sitting like across from him, just with my camera. Like, this is my first time meeting him, and I can't tell if he's awake or if he's asleep.
Damn. You're just filming a limp body. He's slumped in his seat, just like.
Totally, bro. And he was knocked out. And then
or he was wide awake and he was like, how long can I make this dude film me doing nothing? Let's just
probably,
see.
man. Putting me to the test. Yeah, for sure.
That's hilarious.
And then we landed, and he gave me some good content. And I was like, all right, cool. We're getting into something. He was being funny with the camera. And then we do the show. I was shooting from on stage, and it was my first time shooting him. So I was kind of getting used to like his movements and like how he moves on stage. And
right.
And then it was a packed club. It was for Sundance. I remember I was like, oh, damn, I want to get in the pit and get a shot from the front so I don't have all these just different, so I have a different angle. And I jump in the pit. And then at that point, it's when security was kicking everybody out the pit. And I know this happens to a lot of us when we're in the pit and we have to show like, no, we work for that artist. And they're like, no, we don't care.
Yeah.
And I was arguing, and then I get kicked out, and
You got booted?
Yeah, they like didn't believe me. It was so annoying.
Oh my God.
And I catch a little attitude sometimes.
Yeah, of course.
When like someone's like in my way when I'm like focused, you know? I remember I ran into this other photographer like that I had made friends with that night. He takes me out the back way and leaves me in this like alley type situation, and there's a shit ton of cops. And then there's like this one cop, and he's yelling, and they're talking about canceling the show.
Oh shit.
And I'm just there, and I'm like, oh shoot. So I just press record on my camera so I could film it, right? So I caught a little bit of that. I caught the interaction. And then next thing you know, all the cops rush the stage. I'm stuck in the back. They won't let me go back in. So I don't have that footage, but apparently the cop goes on stage, but he's dressed as like a civilian. Because he's like I don't know, the guy's the chief of police.
Okay, right. So they're not like always in uniform.
Yeah. So he just got the badge. But Wiz is on stage performing, and this, like, imagine like this old 50-year-old man just walking on stage.
I'm surprised he didn't get smoked by security. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, and then he grabs a joint from Wiz, and it's like, your show's canceled or whatever. Wiz grabs it back, takes a hit, and just blows it in his face.
Oh, shit.
The cop goes to grab the other arresting officers, and it was at that point that, you know, Wiz just made the escape.
He got out?
And he got out.
Holy shit.
He drove super fast to the private jet. And that's where I can't come in. I meet him back up at the private jet, and that's where that footage starts. That's why he's hey, now we're free.
Damn.
So that clip is super funny because
oh my God.
He's just laughing the whole time. He's like, they can't touch what? This.
Hops on the PJ, hauls back, eats some peanuts.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's crazy. That's a solid first experience.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Thanks for listening to this clip. Make sure to listen to the full interview, which is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, YouTube, and wherever else you listen to podcasts. Hit the subscribe button for more highlights and join our Black with No Cream private community for creators. Links in the description.